Hello, welcome to second part. On this video, I'll be showing you how to create a virtual PC, and we'll attach an operating system ISO, and I'll try and show you how easy it is. Even if I can do it, anybody can. Alright, so we're gonna create a new virtual machine. Typical. For easy start, I would choose typical, and I'll just click on installer disk image. An ISO. It is requiring an ISO. Okay, so I already downloaded Ubuntu 24, version 24. This is an LTS version, but you don't have to have that. You can just download any ISO, even Windows ISO. You can do that. It's super simple. So I'm just going to click here, tell it to go to my downloads folder, and then just double click on the ISO I just downloaded. You can tell this wizard already recognized what it is. It's a 64-bit version, and it says operating system will use easy install. Next. Full name, I'll just say Jamal. Username, again Jamal. 12345. 12345. Next. The virtual machine name is there. I'll just change the drive. I'll put it in the root. No, I'll create a folder in root, and I'll say Ubuntu VM. Okay, I'll target that folder just like this. Next. Maximum disk size is 20 gig. For a Linux, it's good enough because it doesn't matter. So it's showing me a summary of what I picked. 20 gig hard drive, 4 gig memory. I didn't even choose this. It actually chose it on its own. 2 CPU cores. This is all preset because the VMware Workstation Pro software recognized the ISO. If you have an ISO it's unable to recognize, it will of course give you an option to choose it. So you can actually change any of that value from this button. Here it is. So you can make the memory size smaller or bigger. I can bring this down to 2 gig. And then processor is 2. That's fine. I have a feeling I might have to turn this on, but let's get that error first. Network adapter, it'll share the host IP address, which is fine. If it does, I think it will, this means the virtual PC will have access to my network. But you can actually choose this, a private network shared with the host. This usually means host can access it, or the virtual PC can access the host, but that's it. It won't get on my private network, nor if this was in a company environment, it won't have any access to company network. Especially this is good like if you're testing a server. All right, so that's good enough. CD can stay because we have an ISO attached to it. The USB, sound, etc. Well, for this example, I'm I'm not going to change much. I'll just change the memory size to 2 gig, and I'll just finish this so it will create, and it will show up on the left. There it is. You're running virtual machine side channel. Okay, is this the control thing? Side channel migration provided enhanced security but also lower performance. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, it's turned on. Okay, Ubuntu booting up. I don't know what this errors, why the errors are showing up. Well, it says something is not enabled. I don't know what it is. I'll let it do its thing. Linux is very forgiving operating system. It can work under very small hardware, and it doesn't require much. But let's see what happens. I'm gonna pause the video and install. So this takes a while. I'll pause the video and come back to it when the system ready